Guys, this is day 6 of the Smart Account Challenge. This is the recap of the earlier section. I only placed one trade today on HURA, and this HURA, it was one of the leading gappers today. However, the gapping goal it wasn't too exciting, guys. We didn't have the primary focus for today was looking for stocks that can provide more marginable opportunities. However, we didn't have it. This is what we had HURA around using, let's go 9:15. 9:15 a.m. This is what we had. And it just wasn't, it's been pretty dull. So HURA, I took one quick break for 302. I have one entry. What's so funny, guys? I always get a partial fill. I had one. I bought this at 302. It kind of dipped down at 295. I bought again 38 shares because, like I said, I wasn't able to utilize margin, so I bought because it was a big seller at 302. I'm gonna pull up the video. It's just kind of long, so I'm just giving you a brief summary of what I did. And I sold the whole position at 306 for a $14 winner. Count value for today after this winner kind of put me. I mean, they said I got $14.75 in commission. And what's so crazy, guys? I only pressed the buy button 2 times and the sell button 1 time. I do not understand their commission policy. I don't understand their margin policy. But here's the thing. So this is the reason why I wanted to focus on stocks that's marginal. CMAC margin change, I believe, daily. Anybody that trade with CMAC or use the Sterling platform, you will see a stock that's above 5, and we'll use the ticker SHOTW. We just use this ticker, for example. Now, using 90, the market is closed, obviously, but using 90% of my shift one generates 90% of my buying power. So this let me know, hey, I can generate 517 shares. Now, this stock, RNA, is priced at $7.08. I click shift one, I only can get 107 shares. It's kind of confusing. I don't know how they choose or go about applying margin on some stocks. When I called them and I asked them, they were saying, hey, the stock got to open, they have to close the prior day above 5 for you to have margin on it. RNA did. SPRC did, and I still didn't get margin. Only can acquire like 97 shares. So today, looking at this, look, it's just like when you want to take like a good opportunity, you're not really getting max value. Like I wasn't really only traded 301 shares. Yesterday I made $105, but I finished the day negative $15.11 based off commission. So here is the prior session yesterday. Negative 15 cents. They charged me $107 in general commission. ACN fees was 12.5, which brought it to total to $120 total, and I finished negative 15 cents. I had 19 orders, guys, with 37 executions, and I get charged $295 per execution. Yes, that just keep that in mind. Today, I don't know why today's trades have not uploaded. Let me try to log on, log back here. Okay, so the 28th. Okay, so yeah. So I profit. Yeah, it was right. They gave me 14.75 of this. So Three orders, five fields, of course, 1470. I only made 1470. My total was $2.37. Negative. Negative $2.37. That is something. Small loss based off of another commission trade. So that's what's getting me for this challenge. It's just that now yesterday I made small loss, so technically this will be the second red day based off commissions, even though it's a fight for commissions, guys. Even though that the trade worked out, I'm still down $2.70 based off commissions. But this is what I saw on RA that made me say, okay, it was okay to execute the trade. I saw a big seller that was getting bought up. And let me go. Okay, here you go, right here. I saw this big seller that was getting bought up at 302. Let me kind of, this video kind of long, so I kind of felt, oh, I saw this big seller again, but I want to see the beginning of this trade, guys. Okay, so I saw a big seller there, kind of dipped down a little bit, and I wanted to get a move through that big seller. Now it popped through 302, but it only popped by 2 cents. So then I'm like, well, it's kind of concerning because it's not going much. It's kind of choppy. So I'm like, okay, at this point, I would like to add. It's 303 by 306. Another big seller there. I'm only holding 263 shares. It's nothing really significant. So as we go into the bill, I think this is where I add. It's right. Okay, right here. Let me go back. I'm trying to see where did I try to add it, just dipping down because we got 3 minutes to the bill basically. So it said I can get 38 shares because we've been seeing a nice move through the bill. So 38 shares, I added on, and then they're gonna move right there. It's starting to come. Not too much, not significant. And what's so crazy about it is that so much green going through the time of sales. I was looking at this for a possible test of its high of 325. So I'm saying, okay, if we can break the big setup of three, we can get a move up to 310, 315. I can scale out, let it dip back, and then retest its high of 325. This is how I'm thinking in live time, but it did not. This is what happened. Let's keep watching this. Nothing really significant happened. Okay, so we're going right here before the bell. We're going to now it looked like a hidden seller because it's all the green going through the tape. It's not moving. 309 right there, and then it kind of flashed. Now it's back down below three. It's holding three pretty well, but it's not moving. Now 287, and right there, as soon as it hit 304, I took it off the table because, and I shut it down because I took it off the table because I didn't want, like, I didn't really want to execute the trade because number one, we didn't have like 300 shares. If I'm trying to take this account to $5,000 realistically, I need to be getting towards like 1,000 shares. It's a trade that I probably shouldn't place, even though the trade worked out. The real cost for me was being down $2.37 after commissions. So when you're taking 100, 200 to 300 shares, you're battling with commissions because usually if I buy for the break of something, it kind of dip back or a big seller, and I add to the position and it breaks that seller, and then I'm scaling out as it go higher. That is the proper way to trade. I don't want to trade change the strategy based off my struggle with commissions. It's not happening. It's not what I'm going to do. So after that one trade, I shut it down, and I just wanted to get on and say that going into tomorrow's plan, it's going to be tough because we have not seen stocks that kind of gave us that price range. This is what we're seeing on the higher day Momo scanner. We have not seen put. This is usually from 9:30. We have not been. I don't know why in November we just have not been seeing great follow through. And we're gonna put this to 9. Let's make it 45. Are you serious? Yeah, we have not been seeing all low price stocks. Not really nothing that's really been home run. REE, just volume, low volume, just nothing that's really been giving us home run opportunity. So that's just been a battle for me. It's just in November, it's getting these base hits. And 2 days, they're going to charge me, and this is how I'm going to end the video. In 2 days, CMAC will charge me $225 for platform data and service fees. So they're going to charge me $225 at the last day of the month, the trading month, which is November 30th. So I don't know how I'm going to go about it. I don't know if, to be fair to the challenge, I'm going to add on what they took out because I don't want to collude the challenge, or if I'm just going to just reset with the $700 or whatever it is and then just build it from there. I'm going to leave it to you guys. I'm going to be watching the comments, and whatever it is, I do it. I'm happy to do it. This is again not trading recommendation. This is not. I'm not soliciting anything. I don't have my channel. Even though you saw the Warrior Trading logo on the back, I'm not recommending to you to them. I just want you, if you want to seek them out, go on your own, and we can make it happen from there. But they are a great community, and that is how I scaled up my skills over time. Just for me personally, it made more sense to go with them. You might have different opinions. You might be an option trader, a future trader. You might not want to trade stocks. So never take nobody advice, guys. If you truly love what you do it on your own, or find people that's obsessive, that have credibility, and that's actually in the market, because the internet is full with a lot of things. Other than that, guys, that's day 6 of the small account challenge. I am up $14.70, but down what we say $2.37 after commission. So Yeah, so that's going to be that, guys. See you first thing in the morrow. Trade or die.